In this video, I will show you how you can integrate a night automation services SOC-MINI-V2 controller with your Schneider's StructureWare EcoStruxure workstation using an IoT interface via MQTT protocol, and you can control everything on this controller using a NodeRed, which is an MQTT server broker running in the background. This is your NodeRed, which I'm showing you on the screen, and this is the Schneider Electric Workstation 5.0, which has recently introduced its most recent IoT interface with subscriptions, which is allowing us to use this controller with this software. So I will go over how I have connected everything together. And so you can see on the video on the right that I have connected everything on the diagram on my left. So if I point to this power supply, this is my power supply. This is a 220 to 12 volt VDC power supply. It's a bit overpowered, but it's just for this application. This is my controller, which is over here. This is a Wi-Fi based ESP32 controller powered by Espressive. Next is our temperature and humidity sensor, which is over here. You can see it over here. That's where it is. It allows you to record temperature and humidity within one sensor. And next we have our thermostat display, which we are using a Nextium uh, LCD display, which is touch based, and you can configure any graphics on this touch screen using its Nextium editor. And if you can see over here, we have three LEDs and a current sensor. The blue thing is my current sensor, and these three LEDs which we have over here, this is red, yellow, green. This this is basically going to simulate an FCU, and we are simulating a three-speed FCU where red is your low speed, yellow is your medium speed, and green is your high speed for FCU. And next we are simulating the feedback of the FCU via the current sensor, and the temperature and humidity of the room is being delivered by our DHT11 sensor over here. So enough of that. Let's now test everything together. So first I will test via my EcoStruxure. So let's slam that over there. And now you guys, you can see right, its high speed is on. As the green light is on over there, I'm going to turn it off over from here. I have turned it off from my workstation, and in about 2-3 seconds it's going to turn on. So you can see the the FCU high speed has been turned off completely. So if I want to turn it back on, so I just press on over here, and my EcoStruxure will send a message via MQTT broker to my Espressive controller to turn on the FCU relays. So I have speed control over here, so I'm going to make it to low speed just to show you. So this is low speed now. Now it will go enact low speed over here, which is perfect. It's indicated by my red LED. So the communication is both ways. So suppose I want to control my thermostat and use my thermostat to control everything. So let's turn the FCU off from the thermostat which we have. So I will press this button over here. So as you can see, it turned off. So now I'm going to turn it on again via my thermostat. And as you can see, it turned on once again. And now I'm going to increase the speed. I want to make it to high speed. So I just pressed that, and that's how it does. And now I can also set the set point from this thermostat. So if I press my up arrow and I want to set it to 22 degrees, then it will set as such, and it will then update my Schneider Electric StructureWare also. So that's it. And if I go back using this button over here, these values which we are seeing on the display is the values which is coming from our temperature and humidity sensor, which is hooked up over from here. Okay, so This controller is working through this interface. It's linked up over here. It's available in this section, and it is getting all of these points for current, humidity, temperature, and FCU speeds from our MQTT broker, which is running over here at the background. This controller and this computer, which is running the StructureWare, is connected to the same Wi-Fi network which is in the room. So this controller is communicating via Wi-Fi to the router. This computer running software administrator of the EcoStruxure workstation is also running on the same Wi-Fi, and we are both at a local network. So my ES and my NodeRed server for MQTT broker is running on the same machine, and that's how I'm being able to communicate my ES structure, my workstation StructureWare with my controller at the field end, and that's it basically. Thank you.